100 grams milk chocolate, 1/3 cup whipping cream. Microwave for 10 seconds. Keep in the refrigerator for half an hour. Bake until soft peaks form. Place the first layer of cake in a dessert bowl or tray. Apply the second layer of chocolate frosting and set it with a spatula. Then the cake layer. Finally, apply chocolate frosting again and set it. Garnish with cake crumbs and chocolate. Or add any decoration of your choice on top. And this delicious and easy dessert is ready. If you like this recipe, like, share, and comment on the video. And subscribe to the YouTube channel for more similar videos.